Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today my sister will be doing a wet rub seasoning.
Alright, y'all. We shall start with the brine. So, not the brine, sorry. I did the brine already. Trust me, I did the brine already. This is actually for the wet rub. So, and I'm just using simple pantry ingredients. And you can probably substitute whatever works best for you. So, normally I would put paprika, but I don't have paprika. So, I'm going to add cayenne pepper, which is really a good substitute for paprika. And before I start with my ingredients, I'll put my wet ingredients into this jar because I'm going to store it. I'm going to store it in this jar until we're ready to put it on the meat. So my wet ingredients consist of a little bit of melted butter that came back to room temperature, almost room temperature. As you can see, it's starting to melt and to solidify again. I'm gonna need that again in a few minutes though. And then a little bit of this is about maybe 2 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. Whatever cooking oil works best for you. Don't use olive oil, it's not a good idea. It gives it a taste, an off taste. Trust me when I say I've done it. So these are the 4 wet ingredients that you will need. Worcestershire, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire. My teaspoon got left back there. So 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire. Okay. How much chicken base?
2 teaspoons.
I love this stuff. I love this. If I could open it, oh my god.
That's our holy grail. Let me help you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Lord. She's trying to open it, y'all. She's trying. Look at you. Shucks.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm tempted to say power to the people, but I'm not the people. Yeah, so
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of, is this a teaspoon? All right, let's go with 2 teaspoons of chicken base. Somehow I don't think this is supposed to be. There we are. Shucks, look at you.
I love that chicken base.
I do too. All right, y'all. Now I'm putting this 2 teaspoons and the Worcestershire and all this loveliness, and I'm also going to put some I guess I'll put a little bit of salt, but when you look at the brine you'll see that I didn't put a lot of salt in the brine because I'm putting the salt in here, and I prefer this salt because it has more flavor. Yes, Lord. Oh, joy.
I am not deleting that. I'm not deleting it.
Oh, yes, Lord. Anywho, I'm gonna stir this in because it's best to try to get this dissolved while you still have a lot of liquid in here, because if you wait until afterwards it will be hard to mix this in. Yeah, that's good. Every bit counts. Alright, so let's put the rest of our dry ingredients. If you want to, you could mix all your dry ingredients in one bowl so you stir it all up, and then put them in here. That's one more bowl you gotta wash. And since I don't care to wash in the bowl because she will make me wash that bowl. So let's get the rest of the ingredients. I need to go get another measuring spoon because I wet this one.
Oh, okay. All right, cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon.
a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but I'm not putting in paprika, so I'll put 3/4, and it's gonna be spicy. Be careful with the amount of cayenne you use, and you don't have to use cayenne pepper. That is optional. Hold on a second, I really gotta go get that half teaspoon. Alright y'all, here is my half teaspoon. I actually got a half teaspoon, and yes, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper is a lot of cayenne pepper. So I'm gonna take that down to at least about 1/4. So much for that. Alright, what's next?
Dry rosemary, 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of dry rosemary. Alright y'all, I freshly ground some rosemary since I wasn't allowed to pick any.
You guys will see why in the other video.
There's one. There's almost 2. I think that's enough because we put rosemary in the other one too.
Yeah.
So 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary.
And then 2 teaspoons of oregano.
Teaspoons of oregano. And I'm using ground oregano. You guys, you can use your whatever oregano you got. This is ground Mexican oregano. Because I absolutely love it.
Yes, yes, we do love that.
2 teaspoons of oregano.
1 teaspoon of ground black pepper.
1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Oh my God, that smells good. It's fresh ground.
1 teaspoon ground garlic powder.
Teaspoon of ground powder. Okay. Push this in there. 1 teaspoon of ground powder. Okay. Oh my gosh, that smells good too. I must be hungry.
And 1 teaspoon of the onion powder. Wait till I open the onion powder.
Oh great.
If you think you're hungry now.
Ooh, Lord.
That's the one you had roasted, that you had dehydrated.
Oh, yes, yes. All right, y'all. 1 teaspoon of... That smells so good. It smells like the French onion soup.
Yes.
Oops. 1 teaspoon of onion powder.
And half teaspoon of lemon zest or lime zest, whichever one you have there.
I have lime zest. One?
Half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon.
Ooh. You can put extras on that one. Got lemon flavor on pork. Oh my Lord.
Okay. And zest.
That's it.
Alright, so the only thing I have to do
It's the salt.
is the salt. Alright. Stir up all of our ingredients.
Oh my
Create that
goodness.
paste.
That look good.
Alright, y'all. So this is our wet rub. I will taste for saltage. How much salt was I supposed to add?
Optional. It's half teaspoon, but
About a half a teaspoon?
yeah.
Yeah, I think that could be just right. And if you guys want to make a batch of this, you can make a batch of it and just store it in the fridge.
Oh my Lord. And the longer it sits,
The better it gets. Sorry, next finger. Since I got 5. 10. I got 10.
I was just about to ask you what up to the other 5. Good?
It has just enough salt for when you put it on pork.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's good. Very tasty. Want taste?
All right.
Sorry, it's a paste.
OMG. Yeah.
At first you would think it had too much rosemary, but it really doesn't. You don't even taste that. You don't even taste it because it blended so well. Alrighty, y'all. This goes into the fridge until the pork is good and ready.
Ooh, guys. Oh, that is good.
And I don't have to clean any extra, Joe. No extra pans.
Oh, my Lord.
No extra pans. Alright, off it goes.
Whew. All right.